So this video is about becoming a freelancer. You probably clicked on this video because you're interested in freelancing. And the reason you're interested in freelancing, probably you hate your 9 to 5 job, or you're a student who is looking for a job. You want to work, right? So I will tell you right now that freelancing is very profitable. You can be really successful doing it. But I'm doing successfully for years. Um, so I think the reason why people don't start freelancing because they have a fear of quitting 9 to 5 because they're not all in and they don't believe that they're capable of doing it. So it's kind of topic of the mindset, and that most people mindset is that they just don't believe in themselves that they can actually do it. That's why they keep their 9 to 5 job, and that's why they then rarely improve. I'm not saying that 9 to 5 is something bad, but if you don't enjoy the thing you're doing, then it's probably time to change it. And I believe that the best way to change it, for those people who want to work from home, maybe you want to have a small office, is to freelance, because freelance is the future. If you look at the statistics, how the growth of the freelancing in the past years, it's the future. And in the upcoming years, you will see the freelance overall increase. More companies are looking for freelancers, especially for freelancers, because it's a lot easier to find professionals inside freelance platforms than it's finding professional people locally. And that's the fact. So what's the best way how you can get started? I have a lot of videos on my channel, and I believe the best way for you is to find, and I always say this because it's true, that you have to find someone who is doing it successfully and learn from them, listen to them, implement everything they say, and you will get results. And in order to make freelancing work, you have to master some kind of skill, graphic design skill, video editing, whatever it is. You have to have a skill, right? Otherwise it just won't work. But you don't have to be a professional. Like, you don't have to professionally master that skill in order to get a job on those freelance platforms, because there's a lot of people who are really good at their craft. They're really good graphic designers or whatever, but they have no clue how to get those clients, how to talk to those clients, how to sell what they have to offer, and how to manage those projects, and how to get the same client over and over again to do the business with you. So the way I started is, I listened to people who are doing it successfully. At that time, it was my brother. I asked him tips that I have to implement. I asked what I'm doing wrong. He gave me recommendations. I implemented. I got the results, and I'm doing it successfully. So, and you have to do the same I did. You have to find a group of people, or it's an individual or group, where you learn from them, and you have to implement everything they say. That's the fastest way how you can become successful in freelance business. Or you can do it alone. It will probably take you years to crack the code, how to do things properly. Like I did at the beginning. It took me long time to really understand how to do things properly. And thankfully, there was people who shared the information with me, what I'm doing wrong and how to do things better. So it really changed everything for me, and I really appreciate that. And all the information I really share on this channel, it's not about it's not about selling you anything. Um, but I have to say this, that you have to sometimes you have to buy things that can improve things for you. Whether it's let's say you want to improve your health, well, you have to buy a membership, gym membership, to improve your health, right? um, it's only like 40-50 bucks. It's nothing. And if you want to improve or start your freelancing business, you have to put down the money and learn about freelancing. There's no other way around. Or you can learn from the blog posts online, but they're not real. They're written by people who they're written by virtual assistants who don't freelance. Their goal is just to rank those posts in search engines to sell their products. And most of the time, those products are not related about freelancing. So what I pretty much want to say is that you have to find the group of people who can help you. And luckily, my brother has a forum, and this forum consists of community, like-minded people who are freelancing, people who are successful doing it, and people who are just starting it. So it's kind of a mixture of people who are successful, who are just starting, and we all learn from each other. There's a graphic designers, web designers, developers, salespeople, whatever. And we are this forum is divided into the teams, so each team learns from each other. That way, you can develop this full stack business thinking, not only about your particular skill, but to run your business, freelance business successfully, you have to learn. You learn full stack business thinking. It's not just about your skill. You have to learn how to communicate. You have to learn how to sell stuff. You have to learn how to manage projects, and you will never be done by learning. We all learn. Always, I do it. I'm not the best communicator. I'm not the best salesman, but the stuff I do, it works. And that's what I said previously. You don't have to be a professional to get jobs and to make full-time income. So I highly recommend to check that forum out. It's called tomforum.net. Just join the forum. We welcome you. There's a lot of members that will welcome you. You can learn from the Tom. He has a training material that you can go through step by step, implement all the stuff, and you will see results in your first 30 days. Some people even see results a lot faster. Some people are faster learners or whatever, but it will work for you. It works for me. So yeah, just join the forum. I hope you found this video interesting, valuable. As I said, there's no BS that I'm telling you. It's all truth. So yeah, thanks for watching.